children, welcome to my maths class. Okay, today we are going to continue with this exercise 1.7. Okay, in previous class we have done till question number 5. Okay, today we are going to start from question number 6. Okay, first write the smallest and the greatest numbers of 2 digits using 7 and 1 only once. Okay, in this question we are going to write the smallest number and the greatest number using 7 and 1s. Okay, we have to use 7 and 1 only one time. Okay, so greatest number means we have to write in descending order. Okay, smallest number means we have to write in ascending order. Okay, so first greatest number. Greatest number means that is descending order, big to small. Okay, here 7 and 1, which is big number? 7. Okay, 7, we have to write first 7, then 1. So greatest number is 71. Okay, next smallest number. Okay, what is the smallest number in 7 and 1? We have to write it in ascending order, that is small to big. Okay, so small number is 1 and the big number is 7. Okay, so 17 is the smallest number. Greatest number is 71 and the smallest number is 17. Okay, next question number 7. Write the smallest and the greatest numbers of 3-digit numbers. Okay, 3 digits. Okay, using each digit only once. Okay, we have to use only each digit only one time. Okay, we have to find smallest and the greatest numbers of 3-digit numbers. They have given 3 digits. Okay, with the 3 digit we have to find the smallest and the greatest number. Okay, so first 3, 1, 2. Okay, smallest number is ascending order. Okay, starting from the small number to big number. Okay, so which is the smallest number here? 1. Okay, next, what is the next big number? 2. Okay, and the big number is 3. Last big number is 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That is, this is the smallest number. 123 is the smallest number. Okay, now we have to find the greatest number. Greatest number means we have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending means big to small. Okay, which is the biggest number here? 3. Okay, next, after that 2. Then the next biggest number is 1. Okay, so 321 is the greatest number here. Okay, smallest number is 123, greatest number is 321. Okay, next 608. Okay, we have to find the smallest and greatest number in this. Okay, in the first place, in the left hand first place, we should not put for 0. Okay, so let's start with the next number. Okay, so smallest number means that is ascending order. You have to write it in ascending order, and the greatest number we have to write it in descending order. Okay, so first smallest number. Okay, which is the smallest number here? 6. Okay, we should not write in the first place 0. Okay, so we are going to take the next digit 6. Okay, 6. Next second place we can put 0. 608. Okay, this is the smallest number. Okay, greatest number, which is the big number here? 8. Okay, next, after 8, which is the big number? Greatest number? 6. Okay, and this last digit is 0. Okay, so 860 is the greatest number here. Question number 8. Write any 4-digit numbers using all the digits. Okay, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then arrange them in descending order. Okay, what we have to do? We have to write these 4-digit numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have to write 4-digit numbers using these 4-digit numbers. Then we have to arrange in descending order. Okay, first we have to write four 4-digit numbers using 3, 4, 1, 2 are first the place where the places of these numbers can be changed. Okay, first write this same number 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, next this 3 already is in thousands place. Okay, next time we will change the place of this. Okay, so next one 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next all the possible numbers we have to write. Okay, next 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, 3,412, 4,123, 1,234, 2,341. Okay, we can write in any order. Okay, but the number should be arranged in descending order now. Okay, okay. Now we have to write it in descending order. Okay, first the small number you have to write, that is big number you have to write. Which is the biggest number here? 4,123. Okay, next after that, which is the next biggest number? Okay, see this place, thousands place. Okay, okay, first 4 is big. Okay, next 3, 3,412. Okay, we have written this. Next after 3, next 2, 2,341. Okay, next the last number will be 1,234. Okay, 4,123, 3,412, 2,341, 1,234. Okay, we have arranged these numbers in descending order also. Okay, that's all for today. Please do like and subscribe my channel.